Hey guys, and welcome back to Gravey's Brewery with me, Gareth Goes Gravey. And guys, for this video, quick one today. As you can see, the brewery is open for business here in 2023, and I thought I would start the year off with a mead. Here is the mead. I've just brewed this up, pitched the yeast. I'm not entirely sure how much mead I've made up there. Possibly about, probably up to the 5 litre mark. Temperature wise, you're probably looking around about 23, 24 degrees fermentation temperature. Using Mangrove Jack's Mead yeast. I've yet to actually record the original Gravey. That will be down in the description. And before I forget, the honey I'm using is just some honey that I picked up from, I want to say Lidl, I think, yesterday. And I've only just got round to brewing this mead today. I will admit this is only the second time I've ever brewed a mead. First one didn't actually go all that well, so I'm hopeful that this one will actually be much better. As I said, down in the description will be everything that I am using here today, and by the time this is up, I'm probably going to film a video, one that's a long time coming, kind of just let you all know where I've been, what I've been doing in the last few months that I've not been uploading content. And as always guys, I will potentially come back with a video letting you see the final product of this particular brewing adventure. Alright guys, well that's all I've got for you for now. So until next time, from Gravey's Brewery, this has been Gareth Goes Gravey, and I'll see you later. Cheers.